Why don't seniors need bookmarks? Because every time they get behind the wheel, they automatically turn to the same page, the driver's manual. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on driver for seniors. Tip 1. Regular vision and hearing tests. As we age, it's natural that our vision and hearing abilities might begin to decline. Seniors should have regular checkups to ensure that they are still safe to drive. One should not forget that good vision and hearing are vital for safe driving, aiding in noticing hazards like pedestrians, other cars, and sounds of approaching emergency vehicles in time to react accordingly. Tip 2. Regular exercise. Staying physically active can significantly help seniors to improve their flexibility and strength, thereby making it easier for them to perform essential driving actions like turning the steering wheel or braking swiftly. Exercise also helps in maintaining a healthy level of alertness and overall cognitive functioning. Tip 3. Drive in safe conditions. It is advisable for seniors to drive primarily in the daytime, in good weather, and on familiar roads. Night driving, heavy traffic, high-speed highways, or bad weather could increase the likelihood of an accident due to poor visibility and complex driving conditions, testing even the most seasoned drivers. Tip 4. Continuous learning. One must never assume that they are beyond learning new things. Seniors should stay updated about any modifications in traffic laws and keep refreshing their driving skills. Attending refresher courses or defensive driving classes can be a good way of achieving this. Tip 5. Medication reviews. Some medications can impact alertness or reaction times, crucial for safe driving. Therefore, seniors should have regular reviews of their medications with their doctor or pharmacist to ensure none of their medicines are affecting their driving abilities. Tip 6. Avoid distractions. Like drivers of any age, seniors should minimize any distractions while driving. This includes not using phones, eating, or turning around to talk to passengers. The focus should be entirely on the road and their surroundings. Tip 7. Proper vehicle maintenance. Seniors should keep their vehicles well maintained. Regular services and checkups can prevent unexpected motor issues that may create dangerous situations on the road. Tip 8. Regular breaks. During long drives, seniors should schedule regular breaks. This will not only prevent fatigue but keep them alert and ready to respond to any unexpected events on the road. Tip 9. Use of driving aids. There are a plethora of driving aids available in the market today, like bigger, more transparent mirrors or seat cushions for a better view of the road that can make driving safer and more comfortable for senior citizens. Tip 10. Safe car features. When choosing a new car, seniors should opt for one that has certain safety features like automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and large mirrors. These features would ease the physical strain of driving and enhance road visibility. Tip 11. Plan ahead. Prior to traveling, seniors should plan their route, which would increase their confidence. They should avoid high traffic areas and take quieter routes where possible to reduce stress and increase safety. GPS systems can also be beneficial, providing straightforward directions and reducing the risk of getting lost.